Hi guys, welcome back. This is Aditya here. I have read all my previous comments on my videos. People have been requesting how to get relief from the lower back pain. So in this video, I'll be focusing only on that. So I'll be giving you only 6 to 7 basic lower back pain to get relief. 7 exercises I'll be covering, which is very simple. You can do it anytime, anywhere. And before any exercise, like if you're working out on your abs or if you're working out on your gym, you can add it as a warm-up and both as cool down. And if you are working too much, like a lot of people who sit in front of your PCs or laptops, or you use mobile phones, or you travel too much, anyone can do this. It's quite simple, and I bet you'll get 100% relief from your lower back pain by these exercises. Okay, so today my fitness partner is Soumya is here, so we'll be both demonstrating the each posture. So first I will tell you the right postures and the breathing pattern in this. Okay, the first one, lie down on your abdomen, hands beside your lower chest, feet closed, toes pointing out. First one is a cobra posture, Bhujangasana. So wait, go down. Okay, now first one, breathing is inhale up, exhale down. When you come up, only till your navel you come up. Lot of people I've seen, lot of people say no, by doing cobra we get the lower back pain increases. No, because you do it wrong way. This is the best posture to get relief from a lower back pain. Okay, now inhale, come up, still more. Exhale down. See, only till here. Lot of people, I'll show you how they do. They extend their elbow and come up, full up, inhale up, full. You see, when you extend your elbow, her hips also, and the hip come up. I don't want to extend full. Okay, go down. Now show me the correct posture. Inhale up, come up, little more up, little more up, little more. See, this is this much. Okay, and neck up, exhale down. Only till your navel you have to come up. Don't extend your elbow too much. And don't try to come too much up. That is not going to stretch your lower back. It's going to exert again more pain on your lower back. One more time. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, so the next posture, lie down on your back now. Now both hands shoulder level, palm facing the ceiling. Both hands should keep it shoulder level. Now bend both the legs. Now your feet close, your knee close in this. Okay, as you exhale, bend both the knees towards the right and turn your neck on the left. Inhale, center. Same thing again. Exhale, left. Inhale, right. So this is the second one. So don't try to put too much stress and don't try to twist too much. Do it how much you can and don't try to put too much stress on the lower back. How much you can twist, that much, that's more than enough. Now both legs straight. Now the next one, lift your right leg up 90 degree. Now same, don't worry about keeping your knee straight. People who are quite flexible can keep their knee straight. Whoever are tight on hamstring and calf can bend their knee here. Now as you exhale, drop this feet besides the left little finger. You can be closer if you are quite flexible. If you are not, don't try to put too much stress, try to reach. How much you can keep it, and turn your neck on the left, right, this way. Inhale, center. Now same thing, same way you have to come up, lift it and drop it in a same way. Now we'll do it on the left. Lift your left leg up. As you exhale, slowly drop it on the right side, turn your neck on the left. Inhale, center, both legs straight. Now the next one is Ardha Pavana Muktasana and Purna Pavana Muktasana. Now bend your right leg, hug it. Exhale, chin to the knee. This is the best posture in yoga, the Bhujangasana, and this is the best posture to get relief from your lower back pain. Inhale, head back. Now change leg. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back. Now bend, hug both the knees. Exhale, chin in between your knees. See, don't try to lift your lower back up in this. I have seen a lot of people lifting their too much lower back. This should be pressed down here. Okay, keep it right from here. Then bring your chin in between your knees. How much you can lift up, that much. Then inhale, head back. You can give a nice roll to your lower back. Come on, tap. 1, how much you can come, that much. 2, it gives you a nice massage on your lower back. 3, last one. Okay, now 4, back. Now the last one, bend both the legs. This is also the best one. Bend both the legs. See, most important thing is, I have seen when you lie down, a lot of people have a gap here in between. Here, a lot of people I have seen, that's a curve when you get it on your spine. This way, there's a curve when you lie down, there's a gap here. Your spine should be straight, pressed down on the mat. So practice that. I'll tell you, from your core, press this down now, adjust. Yes, see, now there is no gap. Again, put your hand here so that people can see now. Now give a gap here, lift it up. No, from inside you can see, a lot of people are gap. I've seen there's a gap here because your spine is curved in this, so that will create more pressure on your lower back. Press down again this way. So practice this. Maintain here. Exhale, pull your abdomen in, push your spine towards, flatten it towards the mat. Press it towards the mat, then relax it out. So these are the basic exercise to get relief from the lower back pain. Okay, so we'll show it one more time. So I'm back on the mat. I'll show it one more time. Okay, first one with the Cobra or the Bhujangasana. Hands beside your lower chest here. Feet closed, toes pointing out. Now inhale up only till your navel. That's it, neck up. Exhale down. 2 times of this. Inhale up. Exhale down, last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. I showed you, don't come up full up, don't extend your elbow. Keep it slight. Now lie down on your back. Hands both shoulder level, palm facing the ceiling. Okay, palm facing the ceiling. Now, feet close, knee close. As you exhale, slowly twist and bend your knee towards the right and turn your neck on the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Turn your neck on the right. You can do twice this. Inhale, center, slowly. Exhale, right. Turn your neck on the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Turn your neck on the right. Inhale, center. Now both legs straight. Now next one, lift both the legs, right leg up 90 degree. Okay. Now slowly as you exhale, drop it beside your left side and turn your neck on the right. Now slowly lift the right leg up, leg down. Now lift your left leg as you inhale up. As you exhale, slowly drop it on the right. Turn your neck on the left. Don't try to exert too much. Do how much you can. Don't try to twist too much. In the beginning, once you get used to it, you can twist. Again, inhale up. Exhale, lower the leg down. Now, the next one, Pavana Muktasana. Bend your right leg, hug it. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back. Change leg. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back. Bend, hug both the knees. Exhale, chin in between your knees. Inhale, head back. Now you can roll here 3 times, tap your feet. 1, 2, 3. The last one. Okay, bend both the legs towards your butt. Okay, I'll be keeping my hands here so that you can notice. See, there is a gap here. It's called a pelvic tilt. Okay, interior and posterior tilt. So you can see there is a gap now here. From your lower back here, you can see the gap. So try to press it down towards the mat. Okay, adjusting your pelvic here this way. Tilt. When you tilt, you can tilt the pelvic both up and down here. Press it down, hold here. Flat. Your spine should be straight on the mat, not curved. One more time. Relax. Press again towards the mat. Keeping your core tight from your navel. Press it down. Breathe. Always breathe in postures. Back one more time. Press it down and back. Relax. So you can do each variation twice or 3 reps or 4 reps each of each variations. Okay, I'll bet you 100% you'll get a relief from your lower back pain, and the postures, the lifestyle also matters a lot. You can add it with warm up or cool down, or before any exercise also you can add this. If you have a stressful day at your office sitting, you can come and home and you can do it. You can do it anytime in the morning, afternoon, evening, anytime to get relief from the lower back pain. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.